Ito yung view niya sa back, guys. Ayan, mosaic flower. Ayan. Naked flowers. This flower garden. My pros.
I am falling in love. I can't forget you, baby.
Hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel again, and for today's video I'm going to Chimchachoy. So let's go, guys. So yun, ito yung way. Yeah, 27th anniversary tomorrow ng Hong Kong established turnover. Ayan. Kaya holiday na naman bukas dito sa Hong Kong guys. Ayan, yung mga pier to Chimchachoy, ayan, to Hong Ham. Ayan. And nilagyan nila ng ganito, guys, kasi there's a working here. May mga ginagawa sila dyan. Ayan, may ganito na takip na. Hindi mo makikita yung big wave. And that is the EIA observatory well, and the weather is not good, so you can see it's so cloudy and there's a dark clouds, so the rain is coming. O, diba? Ang dilim! Parang yung relasyon nila, ang dilim, guys. Sinugutan pa talaga. So here, guys, in the pier, in the central, they have organic vegetable that they sell. Ayan, different organic vegetable. Organic and saging. Sa Baluang. Kahoy, binibinta pa yung kahoy. Ayan, organic to, guys. Kaya ayan na, ang sarap naman pala yan. Binibinta na rin nila. Organic siya, guys. Organic. So, organic daw pala yun. Ayan. And then may mga bag din sila dito, guys. So, ayan. Ito, guys, is Amsterdam pala, guys. Alam niyo yung makaunahon ng mga barko dito. Parang ganito siya. Yung sa movie. Ayan. Madilim lang siya, guys. Okay, turning. Ayan. Maritime Museum. And then it's raining. Ayan. Parang basang sisim yung mga tao dito, guys. Ang lakas ng ulan. Ayan yung Stad Amsterdam. Guys. So yun, guys, tumila na yung ulan and makikita nyo na yung araw, pero ang dilim pa rin sa area na yun, guys. And ito, malapitan. Ito, video ko siya ng malapitan. And see, guys. Oh, so nice. Lucky, guys. Oh. And then, ang ganda ng background niya, guys. So, madilim. Madilim yung background niya. Ayan, Stad Amsterdam. And then, in the front, there is a girl. See? It's a logo. It's a girl in the front. Kita yung didi niya, guys. Ayan. Ah, diba? So, ayan, guys. Tapos na yung ulan. So, punta na ako ng Chimchachoy. Mag-roaming around there. Malapit na pala mag-roaming. mostly mga ship dito dumadaon. And one of the popular shopping mall here in Hong Kong, tourist spot here, cultural center guys. Yeah. O diba, ang ganda ng Phoebes. And then yun naman yung tower clock. And my viewing deck doon guys. So you can see the view of the Victoria Harbor. Diba ang ganda ng cultural center. So yan guys, 1881 Heritage. Ayan. Yan. Let's go there. So ito yung Heritage guys, 1881. Ayan, ito guys is yung old building. Ayan, they just preserve like that. And then they have this decoration, naked flowers. Ito yung decoration nila this season is naked flowers. O diba, it's so maganda. Dandelion. Dandelion guys. The future the dandelion. Ayan. Ang ganda ng mga bulaklak. Ito guys is a plastic flowers. Ayan. Naked flowers guys. Yung future nila this season here sa Heritage 1881. Dandelion. Ito guys. Kaso mainit. And ito yung flag. Ay, ano to house? Yung parang fireman house dito. May picture ako dyan dati. Sa may puno guys. And then as usual, ito yung view. How many times that I always come here guys. Pag nagagawa ako dito sa Chimchachoy, lagi akong dumadaan dito. Diba? That is the FW house. They use that as a restaurant now. Before, that one is the British colony building, and now they use as a restaurant now or a venue for the wedding. So ito guys, mga shopping mall dati, pero parang wala na. Nag-close na sila.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너. 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네 너 때문에. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy. Yeah. 시간은 계속 흘러만 가고.
Ayan, ganito yung ano niya dito guys. Di ba? Ang ganda. Oh, ang ganda ng structure nito guys. Ayan, dito tayo sa may TST. Ayan, nagbabatingting yung tower clock. Because it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So, the clock will tick-tong. So, this is the tower clock guys. Heritage. Ito guys is one of the popular tourist spot here in Chimchachoy. Ayan. Oh, ito yung labas ng cultural center. Ayan. Diba ang ganda? And then ito. Ayan. Ang ganda. Ang daming mga tao dito. And Sarianen guys is a viewing deck. You can see the view of the Victoria Harbor Central. So, palm tree ito guys. Ayan, that is the Aqualuna guys. Isa yan sa tourist boat here na naglalaya na pwede kang sumakay. Ayan. Ganda na. Ang bilis.
Can you hear, can you hear, can you hear my voice? Coming through, coming through, coming through the noise. I'm floating through outer space. I'm lost and I can't find a way. Oh, all the lights going dark and my hopes destroyed. Help me, is anybody there? Save me, I'm running out of air. Calling out Mayday. Calling out Mayday. It's so dark out here in space. And it's been so long since I've seen a face. My eyes are shut but I can see the void between you and me.
So yun guys, that is the end of my video and thank you for watching. Hope to see you again on my next vlog and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye guys.